Making suhoor or siri for 28 days Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah, 28 na tayo ngayon na Ramadan fasting. So, making parathas. Now, we'll put now fresh buffalo milk here in tea. Ayan. So, bukas, inshallah, last ng Ramadan dito. Ayan, magpainit lang ako konti nito. And then, ito yung aking rice and pakoras. Ito lang simple ang aming suhoor. Sa Dubai at saka sa Saudi yata bukas ang Eid nila. Last yata ngayon ang Ramadan fasting nila. Dito after tomorrow inshallah ang dito ang Eid. Ito. Luto na itong isang paratha. Now close fasting. Time check is 4:47 a.m. Finish already siren. Now there is already azan for Fajr. Nag-iihaw ako ng talong para sa akin. Yan, 4. Dalawa yung iturta ko, tapos dalawa yung lagyan ko ng bagoong isda with lemon juice. Ito yung binili nila kay 5 days ago yata na 5 kilogram yata yon. Tapos yung iba, ito para sa kambing. Marami na akong in-slice na kinain ng kambing. Tapos iniwalay ko yung medyo okay. So ito, iniihaw ko yung iba. Free lang ito, kaya lang binayaran nila kayo ng 100 rupees. So, yung 5 kilogram na talong pwede pang pakinabangan. Pero ito yung medyo kulubot para sa kambing ito. Para sa aking dinner for 28 days Ramadan fasting. No need to cook for today, Bayan, because there is already extra. Yesterday, this is mash or dried beans curry. So I already cook rice for me. For them is I cook chapati, then I put also eggs here, 5 pieces eggs. And no need to make also pakoras. Yes, still dumas extra. So this only for our 28 days Ramadan fasting. Then I make only chapatis and then fruit chat and sharbot. And I make also tortang talong for me, and then 2 pieces I put soy, what you call this, bagoong isda with lemon juice. Ito na yung aking 2 pieces na tortang talong. 1 egg lang yung nilagay ko, and then yung 2 pieces ay para sa aking bagoong isda. Yan, galing pa ito ng Pilipinas. Tapos lemon juice. Wow, sarap. With white rice. Ito ay sapat na para sa akin. This is much better than chicken. Ayan. Sarap-sarap. Additional dish, scrambled eggs. Chapatis is ready. Fruit chat, boiled eggs. 5 pieces, 1 piece each. Dates with sharbot, tang with chia seeds or tokmalanga seeds. Done our dinner. Kunti lang yung kinain kong rice. Tapos yung 2 talong, inihaw na talong with bagoong isda at lemon juice. Yun yung inulam ko. Tapos ito yung tortang talong bukas. Uulamin ko ito for suhoor. For siri for 29 days Ramadan fasting bukas. Ayan, marami pa rin natira itong mashed dal o kaya dried beans. Tapos ito yung scrambled eggs. Ayan, merong 2 natira na chapati. Kaya alhamdulillah nakaraos kami sa 28 days Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. So bukas 29 days Ramadan fasting na bukas.
Bukas-bukas ba yun nila?